welcome back. We're working on this Fairyland model, little Japanese place, waterfalls and a boat. It's really cute. Last time we worked on identifying some of the pieces and parts, and we worked on these two little signs and this little bridge and this little pagoda with a light in it. We glued the light wire down on the inside so you can't see it, but we can test it. In this kit, they're saying white is negative. In the other kits, it was positive. But in here, it's negative and the gray is positive. And there we have our little light lit up inside of our little pagoda. They're calling it a wind and rain pavilion. It got really cute. Have to do some glue cleanup on it yet. We want to put one of our plaques on here. It's that one. So there we go. And today we're going to move on to the water wheel. It says before making, cut out F08-1 and F08-2. So we need bag F. It's right here. F08-1 and F08-2 looks like this. So we need that. We need F10 and F12. We also need these F11s and F7s. We also need F09. Let me look at those. F09 are little Chinese red wood pieces, 2 by 4 by 0.4. 2 pieces of that. I believe that's these. Not seeing them other pieces yet. Oh, here they are. I was looking for something much smaller. And these are F09. So we've got F10, F12, F11, F7, F9, and F8. Stick all this back in. These are all wood pieces, but some of them are very delicate looking. Look at this cute little oar. That's cute. So we need to cut these out. So F08-1 is smaller than F08-2. The left side was 0,1 and the right side was 2. Okay, now we want to take F07, the small wheels. and glue F08-1 all along here into right at the circle. We don't want to go in past it. Next, we want to glue this on top, and we want to make sure that this square is in a line with that square on the other side. And there we go. And work on F11 and F08-2. Okay, one of these is smaller. The small one goes on the big wheel, and the big one goes on the small wheel. And those go on there. So that's what we have. And this will go on here. I don't want to glue them on yet. But there we go. That's our big and small water wheel. But they got really cute.